Cockatiels are a fun and entertaining little bird. Teaching them to talk can be a challenge, however. Factors that can affect his ability to learn how to talk can be gender, age, health, plenty of food and water, and a comfortable environment. Training should not last any longer than 15 minutes at a time. Just like a dog, they can get bored and disinterested. Start slowly when teaching your cockatiel to talk, just one word at a time. Try to eliminate all distractions. When your cockatiel starts to show an interest, reward him with his favorite treat, like a millet. Don't ignore your cockatiel. You can't have him out of his cage. Make sure he has some toys to entertain himself. A tool that you can use to teach your cockatiel to talk is a CD. Whatever you decide, just make sure your cockatiel is in a comfortable environment. For more information on how to teach your cockatiel to talk, head on over to birdcagesforcockatiels.com, teaching your cockatiel to talk. Make sure you click the link below the video.